Welcome to Albury Dream Cottages, and in particular the beautiful Magnolia Cottage. Albury is located halfway between Sydney and Melbourne on the Hume Highway and located just near the ski fields and fabulous wine areas of Victoria and New South Wales. This beautiful home features 2 queen bedrooms and a twin room. It is so family friendly. There's lots of toys, lots of garden outside to play in, a garage to lock your car up in, push bikes to hire. Have a look around, it's beautiful here. And did I mention the beautiful gardens and the huge hot tub in the backyard? It could be such a romantic getaway or a great place for you and the family. There's Skippy. There's so many cycle tracks in and around Albury, and being a flat city, it's easy to cycle around. Come and stay with us and explore the wineries, the fishing, water skiing, the mountains, the antique shops. It's a great place to base yourself to see everything. Come on, we invite you to Albury Dream Cottages. Come and visit us.